Hi, everyone. This is an explanation of how to assign interactive practices to your students. I've been asked a lot about how to do this, especially for all those kids that have been quarantined lately so that they can stay caught up with the rest of your class. So, one of the ways you can do this, actually, the main way you should be doing this, is if you go into your Clever account and you go down and you find your iReady app, go ahead and click into there. And once you're in there, you're going to want to go up to Assess and Teach, and then over to Instruction. When you're in instruction, you can choose personalized instruction or interactive practices. Personalized instruction is great because it does allow for you to go into other grades. Interactive does as well. I kind of prefer interactive right now because you can choose the specific lesson. So if a student is out for a specific lesson, you can send them this, and it's usually between 15 and 20 minutes of an interactive practice that walks them through the basic lesson that you were teaching that day. So when you're in here, you want to stay in interactive practice. And then over here, for example, I am in unit 1. So I'm going to click 1. And we are in grade 5 for me. So I'm going to choose that. And as you can see, it has all of the lessons for unit 1, grade 1. Or sorry, unit 1 lesson, all of our lessons. Now, my students have been working on lesson 2. And if you just want to preview what that looks like, you can click it and see, okay, this runs 15 minutes. So this would be a good practice for them. If you preview it, it's just going to show you what the kids would be using as practice. It's like a little video. But if you want to assign it, you are going to click this little button, and then that green button lights up, and you're going to click Assign Interactive Practice. If you just have a set of students that are out, so I have a few that are quarantined, I could choose just those kids, or maybe you want your entire class to have access to this. Even if they don't do it, this could be something that they do during their independent practice time. But I'm just going to choose a few of my students that I know are out and going to be out for a while. So when I scroll down, I'm just going to click on their names. Okay, so that's fine. And then once I click on a name, I'm going to go next, and then you can choose the available date. I'm going to say I want it available today. I'm going to give them a couple of days to work on it, and then assign the interactive practice, and that's it. That's all you have to do. Again, you could choose an entire class if you want, and it just does that all for you as well. And I hope that helped.